What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today is a big haul. This is my Boxycharm premium unboxing for the month of March, which means it's the you have the Fenty box. This is the thumbnail. So yeah, this is the Fenty X Boxycharm Premium. If you follow them on Instagram, you already know what's in the box. You're really just looking at what shades I got and how I got this look. Because we already know what's on the cheeks, honey. We know Miss Trophy Wife came to play this month. So if you're interested in how I use my Fenty products, then keep on watching. Also stay tuned to see which two products of this month's box I will be including in a very soon future giveaway. If you're interested in that, you know, keep on watching and definitely subscribe to my channel before don't cancel me. But yeah, if you're interested in all of that, then you already know. Let's get into the first. We have the Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Stick, a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Included shades may vary. The MSRP is $25, and I have the shade Blonde. I'm scared of how to apply this. So far, have I done anything? I'm using all the Fenty products I have today, so for a little bit of contour, I use the Matchstick in Mocha, and a little it's kind of blushy, kind of not. This is the Matchstick in Cinnamon. It's a little mini size. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build it up on my hand. I'm gonna build it up on my hand. Super golden. Yikes. Then I'm gonna take my Blendiful. Get it on there. Will this work? I don't know. I'm scared. I didn't conceal. Oh my god. I did not use concealer yet. What am I doing? Oh my god. Maybe if I put it straight on the Blendiful. Oh man, I have to conceal. I mean, I can tell it's there. It's just not amazing, to be honest. So in the, like, on camera it looks nice, and in person it looks okay. I'm gonna conceal and then apply a little bit more, and then we'll see how I'm feeling. Okay, I concealed with my Fenty Pro Filter concealer, and oh my god, I set with the Fenty Pro Filter powder in Banana, and I'm just gonna go crazy. try to layer this up. And I'm gonna use a brush. I didn't set on the part where I put this highlight. And this cream. It looks pretty on camera, but on the skin it's really nothing special. Like these Matchsticks, very dry, even like built up on my hand. It's very dry. I rub them on my hand to try to warm them up and make it a little bit creamier, easier to work with, but like they're just okay. On camera it looks nice because I have the light on me, but in person when I look at it, it doesn't amaze me. Yeah, it looks very lackluster. So it's alright. The color is really pretty, but I keep it, I don't know. I keep this. I probably won't keep this. I'll probably sell this because I don't know, I was hoping for something more. Yeah, the contour shade the contour shade I have of this, I still like struggle with it sometimes, even though sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I much rather prefer for a contour stick KKW over Fenty, over these. But yeah, let's move on. Okay, I bronze with the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalk'r bronzer in Caramel Cutie. Very bronze, pretty smooth, pretty nice. Next we have the Killawatt Freestyle highlighter. Light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless long wear cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy White. MSRP $36. I'm going to take my highlighter brush and just swirl that in there. It looks so pretty in the pan. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, that shit is crazy. Beautiful. 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 Oh my god. This is crazy. This is definitely being kept. Where's the box? This box thrown away. Thrown away. Because this is staying forever and ever. I already have Mean Money and Hustler Baby. It looks like it is. I don't use it very often. Will I use Trophy Wife very often? No. But when I need a, I'm using this. I might use this as eyeshadow also. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I lined my lips with Colourpop Curvii lip liner because I want to put on my lips before I do the eyes. So we have the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, all moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish. Available in a rainbow of weightless color in 10 shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. MSRP $18. And I have the shade Single. So with this, I am going to swatch my own shade of Single because I already own it. This is my personal lipstick. See, this one's dirty. Let's watch. But yeah, it's a pretty muted mauvey rosy deep peachy color, so I thought it would match well with this lip liner. Definitely matte. It's not like it's drying matte, but it's matte. Super pigmented, glides on easily, great nude color. I don't wear this often because I don't like very matte products. But to counteract that, we have a lip gloss. Next we have Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer, the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. In shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlight for your lips, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is the essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. MSRP $19. So, you can see it's very white, silver reflective. I already have the original Fenty Glow, right? Let's see. Just this one right here, very nude, slightly bronzy tone. And I have Fussy, which was the second one, I believe, which is right here, very pink tone, both sparkly, shimmery. I use these a lot. I don't know if you can tell. You can kind of see it. Maybe right here. Use it a lot. I just don't know how well this silvery reflective shade matches this gold highlight, but we can put it on. I will say pretty gloss, but I have noted that I feel the glitter in this gloss. It's a little bit grainy. It's very tiny, but I feel it when I rub my lips together. Just putting that out there. I feel the gloss. But definitely keeping. This is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Moroccan Spice has 16 richly pigmented shadows, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. MSRP $29. Okay, the last product we have is the Invisimatte blotting paper. Ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic refillable mirror compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lifts away shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. MSRP $16. This is what it looks like. I will not be opening this because it's, I could just show you real quick. I'm not keeping this because I don't use blotting papers. I don't blot ever, so thanks. This is what it looks like. I won't be keeping it because I don't use blotting papers, and if I were to keep it, it would literally just be to have it, but I don't need to do that. So you'll be seeing these two products in a giveaway very, very soon, I hope. When I reach 100 subscribers, these will be the giveaway prize. So stay tuned for that. All right, but that's it. That's the end of this box, and the total value. The total value of this box is only $143. And I think that's because the Fenty palette, which I already put up over there. I think the Fenty palette actually, when it originally came out, was a lot more, probably double the price than what it is now. I think they just forever reduced the cost and is, I guess it's just on clearance at this point, possibly going to be discontinued. And once it sells at $29, that'll be the end of the stock, I guess. I was pleasantly surprised by the palette. Super pigmented. And the shimmers, I didn't need to use my finger and I didn't need a spray. Well, at least for the one I used. And I think it's really pretty. Fenty. Shook. So what stood out to me? Definitely keeping Trophy Wife because it is a classic and it shocked the system when it came out. And it's beautiful. Beautiful. Shimmer stick, not a fan of any of the shimmer sticks really. I did buy a trio when it first came out and I only kept the contour and I still struggle with the contour. So I will be selling that on my Mercari. Check it out. The eyeshadow palette I really liked and I will be dipping into it again. How often? I don't know, but it's cute. The Gloss Bomb, it's not my favorite of all the three. It's not something I would wear on its own necessarily because on my own lips it is milky and I'm more golden than cool tone, so it doesn't mix well, but very pretty. The Mattemoiselle lipsticks are very good. They aren't my favorite, but very nice if you've been looking for a Fenty lipstick. It's nice. I wish we would have got the Stunna lip paints, but you know, whatever. And the blotting paper, I mean, I don't need a blotting paper, so that's of no, use to me, but nevertheless, it was nice to get it. I was really excited to get a Fenty only box for Boxycharm, but once I saw what was in the box, I was slightly underwhelmed. I was happy with the highlight, kind of happy with the eyeshadow palette, but I wish instead we would have gotten Stunna lip paints because it was beautiful. And what else could we have gotten from Fenty? Gloss Bomb, yes, we all need a good gloss. And I wish we would have gotten, I'm trying to think what else we have. I don't know, I guess we got what they could do to be like universal products. These aren't Fenty products that I would go out and buy. You know what I mean? I would go out buy a bronzer, I would buy the Stunna lip paint because they look really pretty. And I mean, Trophy Wife, I wouldn't buy because I wouldn't use it often, but it's nice to have gotten it in my Boxycharm. And this isn't the like shade of Gloss Bomb I would have gotten for myself. I feel like if they were to put one in there, it should have been the original because that's more flattering on different skin tones. You know what I mean? Or the clear one, like they would have released their clear one already, so to put that in would have been crazy. People would have been all over it. I don't want to say it, but I'm gonna say it. I'm underwhelmed with this month's Boxycharm, which is very sad because it was all Fenty and I love Fenty products. Like even their setting spray I would have loved, or their, listen, they have mascara. I would have loved the Fenty mascara. They have primer. Definitely could have put a primer or the setting spray. I would have preferred that, not these things. But anyway, maybe next month will be better. Next month, Lunar Beauty is supposed to be a choice option, and if I don't get it, I'm suing. So just saying. Other than that, I think the look is cute. Little do you know, these lights are making my makeup look better than what it is because my skin looks super dry right now and it's pissing me off. So I can't wait to take this makeup off. But overall, yeah, I'm not I'm not thrilled with this month. Maybe next month it will be better, but that is the end of this video. Kind of a downer, but a lot of the stuff is pretty. It worked. It's nice. It's just not, you know, something I'm super excited about or to keep using, you know. But that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button down below. Comment what you got. Well, if you got premium, then I know what you got in your Boxycharm. Just let me know if you were thrilled about the stuff in this month's box, or if you wish there were other things and what things those would have been. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Sunday. If you like me, if you like this video, then share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends. Instagram, Twitter, I link all my social media down below. I link my Macari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling, which includes the Fenty matchstick, because I was underwhelmed by that completely. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye. So